Welcome people to the first episode of Dan's Windows 7 tutorials. On this tutorial I'll show you how to defragment the disk of your computer. Well, this works if you think your computer is not running as fast as normal, because your hard drive is really saturated of all programs and all archives. So what you need is that this defragmenter is really useful and is built-in. It's a built-in app on Windows 7 and Windows Vista and Windows XP, and I even think on Windows 95. So first step is going to the start button, and in the search bar you're gonna click disk. Okay, two programs pop out in there. Disk cleanup, that erases all the programs that you need anymore. Windows knows that you don't need it anymore, so it's pretty useful, that one. But the one we need right now is this defragmenter. Okay, it takes a little bit to load up, so just wait a moment. Okay. So here's the defragmenter window. Not that big. So right now I already run it. And in Windows 7 the progress is just this way. At first when I started operation it went like to 100 and then went to pass until I get to a certain number of passes. The defragmentation will be over and the space that your hard drive needs will be smaller. And so you just click on this button and it will start running the defragmentation. You can close the board, there's no problem, the defragmentation will be still running. And here you can choose which one you want to defragment. You can even defragment a USB or an SD card memory, obviously. Well, another button that's pretty useful is configure schedule. Okay, with this button you can run at 11 a.m. every Saturday. That's an example. So it will defragment it at that moment. If you're too busy making your work at school, this is really useful. I have used it and it really works. It has made my life easier. So here's the configure schedule window. So it opens just like this. You can put it daily, weekly, monthly, day. You can choose from these ones and the time and the disk that it will defragment. You can select all, so there's no problem in it. And it's really useful, and it will still running on the background. So the other program is this cleanup. This one removes the files that you need anymore, like I said before. And at the first is calculating all the archives. It says right here, it's calculating how much space you will be able to free on. This may take a few minutes, so when this is sent with this chart, when this cleanup ends calculating, it will pop up something like a list, like a checklist, which files you want to erase. So you're gonna check all, and you're gonna click the erase or accept button, and that will clean up everything. So guys, that's all you need to know, and thank you for watching my first video, and see you later, guys. Watch my next episode, subscribe and follow me. Later, guys.